Okay, guys, today we're going to be having a little bit more of a casual chat about how to get used to CPAP therapy in the beginning when you're just starting out. I know it's painful having to wear a mask and have this machine, and it's all a bit too much at times. But I've been doing this for 12 years, and over that time, I've learned a few techniques on just how to make life a little bit easier, and I thought I might share them with you. So if you've already got a CPAP machine and you've been using it for years, congratulations, good on you. You can skip to the next video. But if you're just starting out and you're wanting a few techniques or a few tips just to get you through those early periods, then this is sort of my advice to you. So my first bit of advice is to get your mind right. There's an inclination to be quite negative about this in the beginning, and I know you don't want to do it, but you need to sort of change your mindset into something that it is going to be beneficial and that you really need to do it. So change it to, oh, I don't want to wear a mask. Oh, what's my wife going to think? Oh, this is going to be a noisy machine. All that sort of negative stuff. And change it to, you know what? I'm going to live longer. My health is going to be better. I'm going to have more energy. My wife is going to be happy because I'm not snoring. My general mood's going to be better. And just change it into a positive, okay? At the end of the day, it is a positive. And if you speak to those people who have mastered it and who are sleeping with it, they won't go a night without it because they love it, okay? So you will get to that point, but just change your mindset in the beginning, because if you get your mind right, your step one's done. Step two is you really need to start, I believe, at lower pressure levels, okay? So a lot of consultants and doctors and everything, they want to start you at a level that's controlling all of your sleep apnea, 100%. Just get them from day one. I don't think it's the right way to go about it personally. I think you want to start at a very low level and then you gradually build up to it. Think of it kind of like, if you're wanting to, say, do a 100 kilo bench press at the gym and you've never been to the gym before, you can't just go in there and pick it up and you're going to get squashed. But if you start at 10, move to 20, 20 to 50, 50 to 80, 80 to 100, eventually you'll be lifting that weight, okay? It just takes a bit of time, but your body will get used to it. So that's the tip there. You need to get your lungs used to breathing against the pressure, and it's a gradual build-up. You just want to shove 20 centimeters of pressure straight in your lungs. No, you start nice and light, and then gradually your lungs are getting used to it, and then you gradually build the pressure up as you go. It can take weeks, it can take a month. It can take a couple of months, but you gradually build it up. So the point of this is learn what your machine can do and how to adjust the settings of your machine, okay? Really delve into what that device is capable of. So don't just go to your consultant, pick it up. They'll give you that 15-minute spiel on clean this, do that. No, you need to learn for yourself. You need to learn the advanced stuff, okay? It can take a day, it can take a couple of days, it can take a week. You need to learn, okay? So once you learn how to do that, look at your pressure, start low, and then gradually build it up to the pressures you need to be at over time, all right? Don't just run the marathon from day one. Learn how to jog 5K, learn how to jog 10K, and then eventually you'll be running the marathon. And CPAP is a marathon. Tip number 2 is don't stop until you find a really good CPAP mask. Hey, the mask is crucial at the end of the day. And no matter how good you are at breathing with that therapy, if you've got a mask that's bugging you, you're going to hate CPAP therapy and it's going to be very challenging. So you need to find one that's comfortable, so it's not hurting your face. You need to find one that's going to seal nice, so one that suits your face shape. All right? Mask leaks are going to annoy the shit out of you because you'll have air coming into your eyes, waking you up, making noises and all sorts of things. So you need to find one that's going to seal well as well. And then you need to learn how to fit it and, adjust it properly, learn how to clean it. So get the mask thing right. The mask is crucial, so important to getting good at CPAP therapy, okay? If you get handed a mask by the consultant and you're not loving it, but you've tried all these things and you feel like it's just not for you, you need to just keep get another one. Get another one. There's thousands of them, okay? And you will find one eventually that you go, hey, this is all right. I can do this. I can wear this. And then if you've got that, then, you're halfway home. Number 3 for you is, look, you just need to be persistent at the end of the day. You need to work at it. There's no easy way about it. You need to go to bed each night. You need to put it on and you need to just suck it up, take a glass of concrete and work at it. If you've had it on for an hour and haven't fallen asleep, take it off. That's fine. You need to get some sleep. I know you've got work and stuff. You need to live. But the next night, put it on again. Put it on again, put it on again, put it on again. Not, I used it one night and then I'll have 3 nights off. In the beginning, it's persistence, it's consistency. Even just use it if you're just watching TV or something. Just put it beside your couch, whack your mask on, just start breathing. You're just training your body. You're training your lungs. It's like doing weights for your lungs, okay? Your lungs are breathing out against that pressure that's coming in. They're working harder. Or your intercostal muscles, your diaphragm, they're getting stronger. Eventually, you'll feel like there's no pressure coming in at all. You'll be, is this machine even on? Like, that's how good you'll get at it. Over time, with consistency, persistence, everything will just become easier. Your face will get used to having the mask on. Little areas of skin will get tougher so that it's not so sore on your face. You get better at fitting it. You'll know how to sort of sleep with it. Just like anything in life, really. If you work at it, you eventually get good at it. So that's my tips. Yeah. Too many people just give up, or they haven't had the right advice, or they're just, haven't learned how to use the machine properly. So if there's something bugging you, don't just throw your machine away and go, it's not for me. I couldn't do it. You can do it. Everyone can do it. It just comes down to the right advice, the right knowledge, and the right frame of mind. Okay, well, I hope I've given you a little pep talk. Thanks for watching the video. You can subscribe by clicking one of these buttons that's going to pop up around you. And hit the like button if you thought it was useful. Okay, I'll leave it at that. All the best and good luck. It's not easy. Cheers.